Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend, for it's our last refrain.
Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing good. You know, I'm here in Antwerp and I was actually not planning to make a vlog today. But since I'm here, you know, I might as well talk to you guys. As you can see behind me here is the castle that I mentioned before in one of my videos. And it's called STEEN, or the stone. And Wikipedia calls it a rock cut. And the castle here behind me was built in the 12th century, between 1200 and 1225. So, as you can see, it's still standing. And of course, over the years, they probably did some fixings and name it to bring it up to date, of course, you know, like hundreds of years, you know, like it needs to be fixed. However, now what they did now, they actually added an addition to this castle, which I think is not great, but everybody has his opinion about it. So that's what I wanted to show you guys, you know, like it's from something from the 12th century and they add in the 21st century something completely modern to it. Okay, let me flip the camera around and I can show you more then. So as you can see, the bottom part has some kind of a different color than the top part. I think that's because the erosion of the stone, you know, breaking apart maybe, and some pollution, you know, that it made it this color, you know. But, you know, overall it still looks pretty impressive, I would say. The last time I was here there was a total fence around it, like a construction fence. And I thought they were just gonna clean it up, fix it up, but no guys, what they did, they added a complete addition to it. And it's a tourist information center, believe it or not. Take a look. I'm here on the side here of the castle now. See the old part, and then look at this. They added a new building to it, and they built it. They actually attached it to the castle itself. Take a look. There you go. It's a huge addition, you know. And there is a piece of old part again. Then you have this new stuff. And then there is the castle. So to me, if it's that old, I'm all for old and new and fixing up, but something from the 12th century and add like a brand new part to it is kind of not really my style, but I wonder what you guys think about it. Anyways, I just wanted to show you this, guys. I'm gonna walk around in the castle and have some non-talking videos, you know, like I'm going in the new part and show you what they did. So here we go. Look at this, guys. Tourist information. And look, this is the new part that they added onto it. See, old, and they broke into the old walls and connected it to the new part here. Take a look. And it's huge, the addition that they added to it. It's huge, you know. So there you see it, guys. Weird. Let's go in here.
Vamos.
The dungeons. I don't know, guys. And look at this part then. This is another sort of entrance, and look at, they built like an elevator in it, believe it or not. Take a look. Is that really necessary? An elevator for, look at, here it is, there, one floor up. And this is it for my video, guys. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching. Thanks for those subscribers. Thank you. If you didn't subscribe yet, please consider it. And here I leave you with some Easter flowers. Bye, guys.
Close to the sun.